Are you tired of subscribing on your Gmail account? Remember, Google give each Gmail address 15 GB storage. And if you have been backupping all your file on your Gmail account, this will make your Gmail storage to get low. So in this video, I'm going to teach you one simple step that you can apply on your Gmail account that will help you to restore back your Gmail Google storage. So if you want to learn this method, make sure you stick to the end of this video and don't forget to like this video. So without wasting much time, let's dive into this video. So what we are going to do first, we are going to go over to our Gmail account. So this is my Gmail. So you allow it to load like this and then click on this profile on your Gmail account. Okay, in case you have a profile on your Gmail account, just click on that profile. Then what we are going to do, we are going to go over to this place that say manage your Google account. Okay, so click there and allow it to load. So here we are going to go down on this place that says data and privacy. Guys, make sure you pay close attention. Let's click on this data and privacy and then allow it to load. Okay, so once it's loading, then go down. Okay, go down and come over to this place that say content served from Google service. So click on that one and then allow it to load. Okay, so once it load, you can go down. Okay, keep going down and then we are looking for photo. Okay, you're looking for photo. So once you see photo like this, you can see here photo. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on this place that say photo. So click on that photo. So once you click on that photo, you are going to allow it to load for a while. Okay, in this process we are going to zoom this very one. Okay, just zoom in. So here we are going to come over to this place that says that look like cloud, this icon that look like cloud. So click on this icon. See, that is the storage. Okay, so allow it to load. So here we are looking for recover storage, which is this very one, recover storage. Now if you look on that recover storage, you can see that convert existing photos and videos to storage saver. Okay, on this process, what we are going to do, we are going to click on this place that say learn more. Click on learn more. So once you click on learn more, it's going to load and it's going to bring you into this interface. Okay, so guys, if you're still watching this video to this level and you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, it's not going to cost you anything. It's totally free. Subscribe to this my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. In this channel, I talk about different type of things on how you can face some little issues that you are facing on any of your social media account or anything that is actually disturbing you and you are looking for a solution. This channel will be a perfect place for you to learn a lot of things that will help you. So guys, in this process we are going to look over here that says recover storage. So here you say recover some storage by switching existing photos and videos when possible from original quality to storage saver quality. Now don't. So the second one is it do not affect item store or added elsewhere on Google, such as Gmail, Google Drives on YouTube. Some items backup on Pixel device may not be affected. You should understand this. And here you can click on this checkbox. Now I understand that compressing my existing photos and videos cannot be undo. Now you should understand that whenever you are compressing your video or any file on your Google Gmail Drive, they are not going to, you can't be able to undo it again. That is what they are explaining to us. Now here, after clicking it, you can click on this way that say compress existing photos. So once you click on this compressing, this thing is going to reduce every large file of your videos and it's going to make it to be smaller. You understand? But the quality of your video or your photos will still be there. So this method is going to help you to save money from not subscribing to your Gmail address or your Google Photo Drive that is actually helping you to back up your file. It will going to reduce it and you're going to start saving a lot of money for yourself. So thank you for paying attention to this video. See you in another video. Have a wonderful day.